Hey, what's up guys? RC and an SC here today, and we're gonna do something a little different, a little bit, hopefully a lot of fun, and we're gonna drop a monkey from a drone. This is actually my youngest son's Curious George that he's had since he was a baby, and he has volunteered this to be parachuted from a drone, and we've been talking about doing this for a long time. So today was the day. Go over it real quick. This is a homemade parachute. I have a trash bag and some fishing line, and of course this is Curious George, and this is an old Phantom 3 drone that's been modified. It's got I did a little video modifying the Hawkeye. We're going to try that out today as an FPV camera, and I got a servo set up on the side as a release mechanism. So I'm not going to get into a lot of detail on that because that's not what it's about. It's about having some fun and making the kids happy today. So let's take it outside. Stick around for some fun, guys. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy this.
Yes. Yeah.
Is that good?
Oh, I think you need to back up a little bit.
Can you see it?
Yeah, my eyes is hurting when I was open.
Alright, ready?
Then you need to back up a little bit.
Here we go.
Aww. How do I turn it off now?
Oh. There we go.
Is it dead?